Hi friends, in this video we can check how to create a job portal website with WordPress. As you can see, this is a beautifully designed and it have a lot of functions on this website. A employer can register an account and they can post the jobs on this website, and an employee can apply for the job from this website. And it's super easy, and there is lot of functions are available on this website, but we are just saying an outline of the website. So after watching this video, you can also create this website like this. A candidate can log in here with their Google or Facebook account, and there is other social media account also available like this. An employer can also create the account and they can see the notification, and a beautifully assigned menu is available, and the employees can find the jobs here. And it's a mobile optimized website, so a mobile user can easily apply or register for the job. So we can go to the video and check how to create this website with WordPress. So first we have to buy a domain and hosting for the website. Just go to our website wphacksforyou.com, and you can see the domain checker option is available there. You can check your domain is available or not. Just check the domain is available. Okay, once you check your domain is available, just click on order now option and just copy this domain name, and it will take you to the hostinger.in. From here you can choose a hosting plan and just click on add to cart. Premium web hosting is better, so choose that. And here you can adjust the time length of the hosting plan. After that, paste the domain which we are copied. And this domain is totally free with this hosting plan, so you don't have to pay for the domain. After that, click on checkout now and use a payment method and continue with the payment and check out the hosting plan. After that, you will see a window like this. This is your dashboard or control panel. Here you can manage all your hosting setups. Click on manage. On this section we are going to install WordPress on our website or the domain which we brought now. We are going to install WordPress on here. So just you can see this is the options available here. Just select the auto installer option and choose WordPress and select your domain and fill all these details: username, password, email, website title, etc. You can add all these details here. After that, just click on install. And wait for some time to get installed. Once you install, just go to your WordPress website, and here we are going to install the theme for the website. and this is the website, and we are going to enter into our dashboard. This is our WordPress dashboard, and just go back to the dashboard, click on that. These plugins comes along with the WordPress itself, so just we are going to deactivate all these plugins. Just click on install plugins, and just deactivate all the plugins. We don't need any of these plugins, we can install later. And just delete all these plugins. Click on apply. OK. Once you finish that, just click on home option on the dashboard section, the themes. Install a premium theme which is carrier file. Just choose the file. The link is in the description box below, you can download it from there also. Just install now. And wait for some time to get installed the theme. Once install the theme, just activate the theme. Just opening our website, and we can see the changes here. Okay, go back to the dashboard. Okay, go back to the dashboard and activate the theme. And just click on begin installing plugins. Before that, we can check how this changes our website. Yeah, our theme has been changed. Now just click on install, and the plugin installed. Now just activate the plugin. After that, just click on home, and we can set up the theme. Click on let's go option here, and here it will automatically install all the required plugins that, and wait for some time to get installed all these things. After that, just skip these steps, and here you can choose a demo for your website. You can choose any of these demo. All demos are free, you can just choose any of this demo from this option. I'm choosing this one. After that, just click on continue. After that, the content section, you can just import all the contents, and this will also take some time. Once you finish that, you can go to the next section. Here you can change the logo. You can change this from here, or you can change it later also. After that, just click on continue, and on the customization section, just click on continue. Just agree and continue. Once you finish that, go to your website and you can see the changes. Everything works perfect. Okay, fine, our website looks nice. Now you can just set up the theme. Now you can set up the theme. Just go to the job search options on the dashboard, as you can see on the left hand side. Here all the things are just depends upon your requirements. You can enable or disable all the options according to your choice, and you can choose the options according to your choice. There is no issues on this. If you enable or disable, there is no problem for the theme or the website, so you can change this according to your requirement, and it is super easy, just on or off, something like that. You can arrange these options, but make sure once you change anything, make sure to click on the save changes option, then only the changes will be take place here. All other things are very easy. Employer dashboard like this you can change. Click on save changes. On the notification settings, employer settings, you can change an image. Candidate settings are available here. You can change the candidate settings. On the job settings are available here. All these settings you can change according to your requirements. You can change the default image into your own images. Here you can set up your ad settings. You can import or export the settings of your theme. Now we can change the logo of our website. Just go to the theme options here and click on header section. Here on the general option, you can change the theme of your website. All the theme related things are changing here on the theme options, like the color, font, etc. We are changing here, like logo and the layout. All these things are changed here. Header style and some textures here, you can change that. Footer section you can change here. Copyright footer section you can change the font here. Social sharing option is available. API setting is available. This is one of the important section, which is API settings. We can discuss it now on the next section, so just leaving that. Once you finish that, click on save changes, and you can see our logo is changed now. This is the logo which we are changed now. Now we can set up the WooCommerce and API setup. Now just go to the WooCommerce and here you can set up the WooCommerce. Only few settings are we need to change. We don't have much interaction with the WooCommerce, so just changing this country, selling location, and the currency. You can change the currency according to your country, or just click on save changes. After that you can enable the payment methods. Just enable the payment method, cash on delivery, PayPal, or if you want to add some extra payment method you can do that also. Here click on save changes, click on save changes. On the account and privacy section you can just allow the customers to create an account. All these things are by default okay. If you want you can enable or disable these settings. On the advanced settings, select a terms and condition page and click on save changes. Once you finish that, we can go to the API section. On the theme job search options, on the API settings, job search option, on the API settings, on the first we have to set up the map box settings. Map box is used for the map. This is instead of Google Map we can use this map box. As you are seeing in this video, once you sign up on the map box you will get a verification email and you have to verify your account. Once you verified your account you can see the access tokens here on the default public token area. Just copy that and paste it on your website plugin settings, the API settings. You can just copy this on the map box access token area. You can just copy and paste there and click on save changes. Here you have to set up the Google API settings. This is for the Google login .google.com, and here you have to create a project. Just give a project name and just click on create. And wait for some time to get the project creation. Once you finish that, just click on credentials. Here just configure the consent screen. Just click on that. And just click on external. Just click on create. Here you have to add an app name. You can add any name here. Once you finish that, you can fill all these details. Just make sure just an email and your app name is important, or other are optional things. Just click on save and continue. And just skip all these things. If you want you can add, and just skip these things. Save and continue. Okay, once you finish that, just click on back to dashboard. And just click on credentials. And now just click on the create credential option. and choose the application type, web application. Here also you can give a name for the project. And just add a URL for the redirect. You can see here the callback URL. Just copy this callback URL and paste it on the client ID section. Just pasting over there and just click on create. Here you will get a client ID and client secret. Just copy this. Here you will get a client ID and client secret. Just copy this to client ID and client secret and paste it on the API settings. Copy the client secret here and paste it on the client secret area. Just close these things and now just save the changes. Now we can check how this works. Just go to the register or login area of your website and just log in with Google. Select that and just enter your email address and password and click on next. It is super simple and the the employer can easily register with their email account. Now we can go to the chat pusher API settings. Just go to the pusher.com and just sign up your account. Here also you can sign up with Google. Just click on the channel section. Here you can create a name for your app. You can add any name. Here you can choose a cluster. You can choose any of this cluster option. You can choose any of this cluster option. Create app for multiple environment. You can choose that also if you want. And choose the option here. Just select the jQuery. And here you have to select the PHP option. Just click on create app. From this section you can choose the API keys. Here you will get the app ID, key and secret, etc. Just add all these things on this area. Like this you can add your Facebook API and all these things. Actually this is a demo site, that's why I'm not explaining more about this. We already created a video about social login, so you can watch that and you will get all these details there also. Once you finish that, click on save changes. Now we can change the pages or menu customization. Click on edit with WP Bakery page builder. This is a very good page builder to edit the pages. You can just edit all the section of your website like this. Just drag and drop. If you want to edit any section, you can just click on that particular section and you can change all the settings as you are seeing on the video. You can change the color, design options, and all the field settings you can change. Just drag and drop the things. If you want, you can add. We are just editing the demo pages. If you want to edit some textures, you can just click on there and you can edit all the things. Once you change something, just click on the save changes option and make sure you have to click on the update option, then only the changes will be take place. On the footer section, we can change on the theme settings. We already discussed about that. Go to the appearance and click on menu section. Here you can create a new menu. You can check live on our website. This is the menu which we are going to change. Just click on create a new menu. Here you have to give a name, create menu, just add some pages or other options like posters or whatever, or other options like posters or whatever you want to add. Just add on the menu section and click on add to menu. And select the display locations and click on save menu and just reload your website, and you can see the changes here. Okay, now go to the pages section and you can delete the unwanted pages. By default on the demo it will import all the pages. You can delete the unwanted pages. You can select one by one and you can delete all the pages. And if you want to create a page, click on add new. Just type a title for your page. Just click on publish. And click on view page. Okay, once we are finished everything, we can test our website. This is the register or login section. First we can register as an employer. Just click on employer section and enter all the details, and we can sign up. Click on the sign up option and an email will be automatically sent to our email account to verify, to activate the account. Once the account is activated, you can see an employer account. Once the account is activated, you can see an employer get a like this dashboard. There they will get a chat option like that. Here they can upload the company logo. They can upload a company logo here, and all other settings the employer can change from their dashboard. They can change the company profile details. All these details the employer can add. After that they can post a new job. Here they have to add the job title, job description, etc. add the job description, choose the date, and finish all these steps. As you are seeing in the video, you can, or the employer can add all the details like this. This is very easy. I can add all these things. I can add the salary options, currency. By default, Indian rupees is the currency. You can change that on the WooCommerce settings, or here also you can change. All the category of this employer can be do on our backend section. The admin can only change all these industry, these sections. The admin can change on the backend. The qualification, like these options, admin can change on the backend on the WordPress dashboard. Once you finish that, accept the terms and conditions and click on post job option. Here the employer can choose a package, and the package, and there is a free package. All these things you can do on your WordPress dashboard. Okay, now the job is live for the employer. This is the job which we are created now. Okay, now we can log in as a candidate, and we can check how to apply for this job. They can also enter their details and just click on the sign up option. Once the candidate account is activated, they can see a window like this or a dashboard. From here they can apply for the job. They can apply for the job. Select a job from the list and they can apply for the job. Once the candidate applied the job, the employer can manage from their dashboard, and they can select the job, the candidate for their job. Okay, thanks. That's all. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe.